Belle here from Southern Belle, and today we have an unboxing of some Belle Mel. That's right, my sweetheart, my sweet Fortnite wife, Scarlet Dreams. Go check out her channel, although she hasn't posted in a long time. Has sent me a big old package. I was not expecting it to be this humongous, but you know, she did what she did, and now we have a video of me unboxing all the goodies inside, and y'all are gonna be able to be the first ones to see what's in here. So let's just get right into it. Smack that like button, hit the beautiful subscribe button, and let's see what's inside. Alright guys, first things first, I'm sorry about the hair. It's doing what it wants to do, so this is what you get, okay? Oh, and actually, thank you, Scarlett. Thank you so very much for this package. I could not believe my eyes when I saw how big it is. I'm like, you know, I'm like, she told me she was gonna send me a little something, right? Because I'm, you know, and she told me, you know, she told me what it is, and well, she didn't tell me what exactly all is in here, but she gets a lot of makeup and stuff from like BoxyCharm or Ipsy that she sees or she gets duplicates of or stuff, and she doesn't really use or haven't used, and so, or she got a lot of different kinds, so she's gently and nicely sent it over here in my direction because I welcome all makeup and all things, all presents. So thank you so much, Scarlet Dreams. You're absolutely wonderful, and I hope you like my surprises that I'm sending to you. All right, now let's just dig in. First of all, you did really good on bubble wrapping. I took a sneak peek before, so it's not as tight as it was before. I took a sneak peek, and I actually have a Dr. Pepper jelly bean thing. It is so cute. I don't have it in here right now. I took it out and literally set it up right next to my Dr. Pepper fridge and my Dr. Pepper lip chapstick, and then my other chapstick too. So thank you so much for that, Scarlett. That was like, I saw it. That was the first thing I saw when I was unraveling it. I was like, oh my god. All right. So let's get like really into it and see every little detail of the package. Also, my face is a blank canvas. This is what you see is what you get, except my eyebrows, they're kind of halfway painted on for this is for you, not for me. This is so you don't have to see me without my eyebrows. So I have nothing on, and I do plan on, at least at the end, doing some kind of makeup look with some of these, whatever that she has sent me. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a go for y'all. So let's just go one by one and look through here. So the first thing I see right off the bat, I'm super duper excited about. I just ordered me some stuff off Ulta. I'm going to show you an Ulta haul in another video, which is weird because I got part of the Ulta haul before this video, so you think I would have already posted that, but I haven't edited it and stuff. This one's definitely gonna come out though, because I love you, Scarlett. I appreciate what you sent to me. But I did get me some Tarte, or however you say it, Tarte face tape stuff in my Ulta haul, I guess you could say. So I'm super excited about this Tarte high performance natural, you know, makeup remover and cleanser, which is really cool. It's a big bottle too, and what I love about this, it is a use mess-free, no rinse cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Just saturate a cotton pad and apply to the skin on the go after a gym sesh, or to remove that full face of makeup you work so hard on. This makes me feel all high and fancy. Guys, I am a beauty guru now. No, I'm still a beauty guru, don't worry. So, love this. The next big thing, so because I got a little purse here, and it has lots of goodies inside. We're going to get to this in just a second. I also got some eye masks. Girl, I need this. I mean, I don't want to give y'all that close up, but okay. Alright, here are some makeup palettes I've got. I got Spanglish. Ooh, yes. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Look at that, girl. That is so pretty. Absolutely pretty. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all swatches of it or not, but I'm just going to at least show y'all the product itself. And hopefully do a banging, beautiful, hot makeup look for y'all with some of my old makeup and some of this makeup. Because, you know, I don't have everything in here for a full glam makeup look. Oh, yes, we have Carmelin. Very cool. Very cool. This is a lot of like browns and shimmer. I love that. Love that because I could use this a lot. You know, on my everyday. That one looks pretty. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. Okay. You go, girl. Love this. Love this. These are my 2 makeup palettes that she has given me, which, thank you so much. Like, that's crazy. Now, let's see what's inside of y'all. Ooh, what is this? Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Oh, wow. I don't know if y'all can see that. Cream eyeshadow. Very fancy. I've never really used cream eyeshadow that looked like a lip gloss. I don't know what that looks like. Oh, no! Okay. I don't know if I put too much or whatnot, but... Oh, y'all can't see it like I see it. That is not what it looks like for me. It's like, ooh, shiny. Oh. No, y'all don't see it. But it's pretty. That's really pretty. I've never used this kind before, but I would be interested to use it now. The next we have a lip gloss. Right, yeah, I think it's lip gloss. Okay, it does not say what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's, see? Lip gloss. Yes, girl. Work it. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I'm putting it back in there wrong. I'm sorry. The next thing we have is some Watermelon Burst lip oil. Very, very cool. Then we have Perfect Liquid eyeliner. Very cool. Oh, what's this, black? I thought this was brown. What color is this? This has coffee, but it actually looks pretty dark. Alright. Got some Betty Boop mascara. Love it. Got some primer for my face. I have some number 7 Booster Serum firming. And the rest are eyeshadows.
Now, next I'm going to do a makeup look. I decided to show y'all the finishing look and post in another video the tutorial of how I did this simplistic but yet beautiful look from the eyeshadow palettes that I used and some of her other makeup on my face. But I'm going to show you without the eyelashes, and then I'm going to put on the eyelashes so you get the full effect of a full face of makeup. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and thank you again, Scarlett, so much for this package. You're absolutely awesome, and I'll see each and every one of you in the next video. Bye, y'all.